I got almost all 9s in my GCSEs, and the long-awaited GCSE advice is here. I will post about specific subjects in more detail, but in general, when it comes to any subject, especially science and maths, there's a difference between understanding and knowing. Like, it's easy enough to just try and memorize information and just copy it down when it comes to questions, but that doesn't really help in the long term. This isn't the best example, but let's use physics. You know that if you have a wave with constant speed, if the frequency increases, the wavelength has to decrease. Now, it's enough to memorize this, but if we actually visualize this as a wave, we see that when the wavelength decreases, the peaks actually hit more frequently. So now you're not just memorizing this equation and this fact, you're actually understanding what's happening. And I think ultimately that's what it is with all subjects. So my best advice would be, if you are learning in a lesson and there's something you don't exactly understand, ask your teacher to explain it in a way that makes it understandable, instead of just having to remember a bunch of stuff that doesn't really make sense. There's more to come, but this is my advice in general for all GCSEs.